After the wallet installation and blockchain network selection, it is time to connect your digital identity with the 4thTech blockchain wallet address. This will be achieved with the help of X.509 certificate standard, so please secure and install the compatible identity certificate before starting the verification process.
After the successful login, the 4thTech Services application opens. Please select your installed digital certificate. Please fill the KYC with your first, last name and tax number. Your digital certificate number is displayed below. Click Verify. The confirmation pop-up window will appear.
4thTech Digital Identity Mechanism prepares and sends WSDL request in a SOAP envelope via HTTP POST protocol to the certificate issuer automated service, which replies with a verification. If the user's tax number corresponds with the qualified digital certificate serial number, the user is successfully verified and the link between digital identity and blockchain wallet is created.